Yogini Ekadasi fast is a highly popular observance falling in the month of Ashada, June-July, on the Ekadasi, 11th day of Krishna Paksha, the dark half of the lunar month. The principal deity to be worshipped and propitiated through the rituals on this day is Lord Vishnu. Also, worshipping the peepal tree is considered highly auspicious on this day. Endowed with a deep spiritual and religious significance, Yogini Ekadasi is one of the most beneficial kind of vrata observed by the Hindus. There is an interesting story in the Puranas that attests the importance of Yogini Ekadasi Vrat. Kuber is the lord of wealth, ruling over the empire called Alkapuri. Kuber was highly devoted to Lord Shiva and performed Shiva Puja diligently every day. He had appointed a gardener named Hemamali, who was given the duty of collecting fresh garden flower in the morning and bring for the puja. This went on for quite some time. Hemamali had a beautiful wife named Vishalakshi. Once, when he had finished collecting the flower in the garden, he started making merry with his wife, forgetting his duty. Kubera was waiting for so long till midday for the flowers which never turned up. Kubera was anxious to find out what had happened and summoned his soldier to discover the reason for the delay. The soldier reported that had happened which made Kubera shoot up into an uncontrollable anger. He ordered that Hemamali was dragged inside the court and cursed that Hemamali would contract leprosy and suffer separation from his beloved wife as a punishment for the neglecting his duty. Hemamali immediately became a leper and got separated from his wife. He wandered in agony here and there and finally reached the Himalayas. In one of the caves, he found a sadhu engaged in penance and a spiritual life. He approached the sadhu and prayed to show him a way out of his miserable state. The sadhu enjoined him to perform the Yogini Ekadasi Vrata to get back his lost health and wife. Hemamali observed the Vrat so diligently that Lord Vishnu was so much pleased with him. He was blessed with a sound and healthy body, and his wife joined him once again. Thereafter, Hemamali lived a long and happy life duly supported by the merit he earned out of performing the Yogini Ekadasi fast. Yogini Ekadasi fast is to be observed from the night of the Dasami, 10th day of Krishna Paksha, dark half of the lunar month, in the Ashada month. Thus, the fasting starts from the previous night of the Ekadasi, stretching over the Ekadasi day, and the fast concludes on Dwadasi, 12th day, or the day following Ekadasi. Thus, the total span of the Vrat or fasting is approximately 36 hours. The ritual is accompanied by prayer and puja to Lord Vishnu, donations, feeding Brahmin, and giving away gift to Brahmin. Donating cow to Brahmin is also very popular during this observance. This vrata is believed to remove all sins of the observer and lead to a blissful state of health and prosperity.